Hi guys! Today we're going to make a one-pot spicy shrimp curry, so let's dive in. I already marinated my shrimp with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of chili powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. We're going to start by cooking our shrimp for just a little over 5 minutes. We want to make sure we don't overcook our shrimp because it'll become hard and rubbery. As well, we're going to be cooking this again in our sauce. It's been over 5 minutes, so we can now remove it. Add a little bit more oil, and we're going to start by adding our 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. You want to cook this just for a few minutes until you hear a pop. Add a teaspoon of cumin and mix it with the mustard seeds just for a minute or two. Now we're going to add our 1.5 cups of diced tomatoes and let this cook for about 5 minutes. We essentially want the tomatoes to become soft and smushy. Add a teaspoon of salt. Give this a nice mix. Now add your 1.5 cups of chopped onion. Add your diced green chili, a 1.5 tablespoons of ginger. Give this a mix and let it cook for a few more minutes. Add your teaspoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of curry powder. We're going to add a little bit more salt. We're going to let this cook for 5 to 10 minutes, and halfway through it should look something like this. You know it's done when it's thick and it looks like this. I grinded my 5 dried red chilies with my fennel seeds together. We're gonna now add this in. Add your cup of coconut milk. It will take a few minutes for it to thicken up. This is when we're going to be adding our shrimp back in. Add your 1/4 cup diced cilantro. I really like cilantro, so I did add more. A sprinkle of pepper. A squeeze of lime juice. Clearly this was not easy peasy lime and squeezy. And voila, the spicy shrimp is done. This is my favorite part. Let's give this a try. Yes, that hit the spot. Enjoy guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bon appetit!